Well, good afternoon. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett Me, and today I've got a Prestige 2020, the hanger box from Target. I stopped in there on the way home from work to try to see if they had any Topps Fire baseball because I saw somebody else posted a video of having some, so I was hoping that Target was stocked. But if they were all sold out because there was not even a scrap of anything that was fire, whether it be a pack or a hanger box or fat packs or anything. Nothing. Or even a blaster. But I probably would have grabbed one of their what you call hobby boxes. So yeah, so in this you get the Extra Point Signature Green. Uh, so maybe we get something. If not, oh well. It was only like $10, so it's not like it breaks the bank. Not like if you were trying to buy it on eBay, because I'm sure if people are selling these on eBay, they're probably selling them for double or triple what they go for in the store. So yeah, so we'll see. It should be pretty quick because again, it's just a cello pack, one pack to open up, and all the base in the front. Hits probably are in the middle, and rookies in the back would be my guess. But we'll get it going here. Got a Geno Atkins, Michael Gallup, Noah Fant, Lane Johnson, Devin White, Dante Pettis, Sammy Watkins, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Jason Pierre-Paul. There's a Giant, Evan Ingram, Tyrod Taylor, Young Ho Koo, Keenan Allen, Tariq Cohen, Marlon Mack. And then we got all these are flipped. Keanu Neal, Kyler Murray, second year card, Nick Bosa, Kenny Moore, John Brown, Xavier Howard, Denzel Ward, Saquon Barkley, Terry McLaurin, and a whole bunch more that are upside down. Duke Johnson, Derek Carr, Adam Thielen, Mark Ingram, Le'Veon Bell, Shaquem Griffin, Curtis Samuel, Jordan Akins, Max Crosby, Danny Dimes, Lamar Miller, Darren Waller, Kyle Rudolph, Marquise Brown, Hollywood, Jamison Crowder. If I remember correctly, didn't he change teams? I thought left the Jets and trying to think. I almost want to say he did. Chris Carson, Will Greer, Seth Roberts, nope, that's just another. Avery Williamson, Drew Brees, Devontae Adams, Minka Fitzpatrick, Keanu Neal, Jerron Brown, Marlon Mack. Now we get into the rookies. So these, we got an Antonio Gandy Golden, blue or purple Extra Point, numbered to 299. That is numbered 6 or 86. Yeah, I believe that's 006. Yep, there it is, 006 of 299. The next numbered, Terrell Lewis to 299. 260 of 299. And the next one, Kenny Galladay, inside the numbers, insert. Prestigious Pro, Aaron Rodgers, insert. Highlight reel, Lamar Jackson. The old school, Randall Cunningham. And then these would be all the rookies in the back. Ben DiNucci, Gabriel Davis, Derek Brown, Patrick Queen, and finally a Jeff Gladney. So no autographs, only 2 numbered cards. the Terrell Lewis, and an Antonio Gandy Golden. That's the two highlights of the box. But yeah, I think it's a decent value for $10, especially if you can pull an autograph. But anyway, that concludes this break video. Appreciate you taking the time to watch it, and as always, keep collecting.